What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to change currency in Exness. So you want to make sure you're on your Exness and logged on, and here you can see my accounts. If you're not here, you can look on the left side panel and click on my accounts. You can see that we're on the demo, but basically if you're on real or demo, this is pretty much up to you. In order to change your currency in Exness, you'll need to create a new account because you cannot actually change your currency after opening an account. So if you created a currency in dollars, that will remain in dollars. So if you're looking for a currency change in order to trade on Exness, the only option you have for now is to go over to open account. You can see the open account option right here on the right side. Click on it. Then here you get to choose the type of account you'd like to use. Go ahead and choose which. In our case, we'll be using standard. Click and continue at the bottom. And then here you can see currency. Again, when you choose your currency and you'd like to change it later, you'll need to open another account. So in our case, we want to open it in another currency. If we want to switch to euros, let's look for that. And here you can see euro, right? You can see nickname and max leverage, but basically we want to have a change in currency. So our first account might have been in USD and now we want to have it in euros. So we're going to scroll down and then select platform. This is required. You could choose Exness. With everything checking out, you're going to click on create account. And now, as you can see under the demo, because that's what we chose, you have 500 euros in our demo euro account. You could go ahead and click on trade to proceed with your transactions. Of course, this can be applied for the real account. You just need to follow the same steps in order to have a change of currency here in Exness.